Everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to track your Risevest portfolio performance. Alright guys, once you have started investing, the next important thing is knowing how to actually check on your money, how it is growing, what is invested in, and how each plan is doing. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Log into your app. Here in your dashboard, it gives you a general overview of your total balance across your plans. Step 2. Tap into a specific plan. To see the details on a specific investment, say your stock plan, tap on that plan on your dashboard. To do that, you must have invested in a plan already. Click on an investment plan if you have already investment already. Step 3. View what's inside your portfolio. Assuming you invest in a real estate investment, you can navigate to the performance to see how it works. Step 3. View what's inside your portfolio. If you want to see exactly what your money is invested in, tap See Portfolio from within your stock plan. Don't forget, you must have invested in a plan already. Risevest himself confirmed this directly to a user asking the same thing. You can see the stock in your portfolio. Step 4. Click your Rise feed for contest. Risevest also have a feature called Rise feed. It gives you ongoing contests about market, portfolio, and Rise investment strategy. Right inside the app, it's useful if you want to understand why your portfolio is moving the way it is. Step 5. Monitor returns and interest as they are paid. For plans like the Naira Vault, recent app updates let you see accrued interest daily, and you can simulate different amounts and duration to see your projected returns before creating a plan. Annual rates are also front and center in the app, so you can always know your rate at a glance. And here are the step by step guide